y'all, how you doing? It's your girl Jay from Sew Tastic. So what? I don't know, but this one is about an upcycle, y'all. And I just want to tell you, I really enjoyed making this upcycle. It was fun for me. Took a lot of exploration, exploring, should I just say? I'll say explore. It took me a. Is that lint in my hair? Yeah, we don't do lint. We don't do lint over here. Hold on. I think that happened when I pulled the top over my head. Yeah, I think so. But anyway, we gonna get into this video. It's not gonna take a long time. I'm sharing with you the upcycle that I wore to the event. The event was 3 days. I'm finally back to normal, so to speak. So I thought I'd share with you guys today. So enjoy the video. Leave some comments. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you to my girl Yashara.
It's probably Yashira.
She is always so helpful whenever I go there to buy fabric. I did go and purchase some things, but I'll show that in another video. So hey girl, hey, I hope you still subscribed. So here is the upcycle that you guys helped me make decisions about, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in it. All right, stay blessed. Okay, you guys, I'm almost finished with the top, but this is how it looks with the jeans. I don't know if y'all can really see it here. Yeah. I think it's too cute. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, what's this bed here? All in the way. So, got to do the sleeves. The circles hit right where I want them to hit. And I do record this too, so I can take a look at it and see, you know, what it looks like. Don't y'all mind my hair? I'm trying to make it curly for the event. So, but that's pretty much, I don't know if I should do anything to the jeans. Probably, because they are kind of like ankle high. They're ankle high. And I think it's really going to be cute with my strap shoes that I planned on wearing. I might DIY my white ones into blue jean. I don't know if I have time, but if I do. But yeah, this is the top here. And I can either pull it down some more. And yeah, I'm going to put the straps on. And yeah, I think it looks cute, y'all. I think it looks cute. I like it. Look at my supervisor in the back. He's checking out, making sure everything is good. So I will have, somebody must be outside. But I will have a finished look for you guys soon. Okay? All right. I forgot to put the jacket on because I'm not done with it. I'm still working on the jacket, y'all. I know it's kind of hard. This is horrible lighting here. I'll show you guys in a different light. So, yeah, this is the jacket. This is the back. I don't know if I need it. I may not. Okay. But it just adds a little extra something to the outfit. You know, in case it's cool out and I just want to cover up my shoulders or whatever have you. And make sure that, you know, this flows correctly. And I'm not going to do anything special too much to it, but finish off what I need to finish off. And I'm probably going to wear it just like this and let it drip over. That's my aesthetics, my style. And when I take it off, it'll be the reveal. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know, y'all let me know. What you think about it so far? Okay? Okay.